Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are tackling a message that many Mac users, especially those on macOS Ventura, might have seen in their terminal: killed 9. It can be confusing. It can be frustrating. You try to run a command or an application, and your Mac just says killed 9. What does this mean? Why is it happening? Let's dive in and understand this security feature. First, let's explain what killed 9 actually signifies. It's not an error message in the traditional sense. Instead, it's a signal. It means your operating system, macOS, has forcefully stopped a process. Signal 9 is specifically SIGKILL. This signal tells a process to terminate immediately. The process cannot ignore this command. It just stops. On macOS Ventura, Apple has significantly tightened its security protocols. This enhanced security is often the primary reason you encounter killed 9. It typically relates to applications or scripts that are either unsigned, untrusted, or lack the necessary permissions to execute. Apple's goal is to keep your Mac secure. This message is part of that robust security framework. You might see killed 9 in several common scenarios. Perhaps you downloaded an application from the internet. It might not be from the official App Store. It might not be signed by an identified developer. When you try to run it from terminal, macOS's Gatekeeper security feature steps in. Gatekeeper checks applications. It ensures they are safe to run. If an app fails these security checks, Gatekeeper can prevent it from launching. For command line tools or scripts, this often manifests as killed 9 instead of a graphical warning. You could also be trying to execute a script that doesn't have the proper execute permissions. Without these permissions, your Mac cannot run it. It will be killed 9. So, how do you fix or work around this? There are several approaches. One common solution involves the ztr command. Open your terminal. Type ztr/path/to/your/app. Remember to replace /path/to/your/app with the actual path to the file or application you are trying to run. This command removes extended attributes. Specifically, it removes the quarantine attribute. This attribute tells your Mac that the file originated from the internet. Removing it can sometimes convince Gatekeeper to allow the application to run. It essentially tells your Mac to trust it more. Another important step is to check file permissions. If you are trying to run a script, it needs execute permissions. Use chmod +x/path/to/your/script. This command grants execute permission to your script. Without it, your Mac will often throw the killed 9 message. Sometimes, you might need elevated privileges to run a command. In such cases, you can use sudo. For example, sudo /path/to/your/command. Be extremely cautious with sudo. It runs commands as an administrator. It can make significant changes to your system. Only use sudo if you fully trust the command and understand its implications. For graphical applications, you might find an option in System Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down. You might see a button to open anyway for a recently blocked application. This works for apps with a user interface. It is less common for pure terminal commands. For developers, signing your applications with an Apple Developer ID is crucial. Apple's security trusts signed apps. If you are developing, getting a developer ID and signing your applications will prevent killed 9 for your users. Ultimately, Apple implements these measures for your safety. Their primary goal is to protect you from malware. They want to shield you from potentially harmful software. While killed 9 can be annoying, it is a crucial part of this protection. It is not a bug. It is a feature. It is designed to stop potentially damaging processes before they can cause harm to your system. Understanding this helps you navigate your Mac's terminal more effectively. So, that's the full explanation of killed 9 on your Mac. It's a security feature, not an error. Knowing how to identify and address it is very helpful. I truly hope this video helped you understand this message better and how to manage it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.